So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a short story with a random prompt generator online without any software, and it's totally free. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for writing exercise writingexercises.co.uk. Let me just remove the space from here, and once I do that, I just simply need to hit enter, and here you're gonna find different options here. It says plot generator. Just simply go to this option, plot generator, here, or you can see multiple plots are even defined for you. Let's go to this option which is plot generator. Here you have to start writing your story, and just simply select the main character settings and the situations of the story, and you can start writing them. And once you are satisfied with it, that directly hit copy to clipboard and your story is copied. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.